Fox 8 News is brought to you by BigNissan.com.
Are you kidding me?
Appropriate song.
Very appropriate to hit the target.
Yeah, you know, low winds, clear skies, calm day. All the conditions are right for a good truck toss there.
It's perfect because it's been kind of wild up there some days.
Yeah, we've had
for some of us.
Some bad
rain
throws.
and sleet and
Yes.
cold.
Well, we don't have to span the globe to bring you the human drama of athletic competition. All we have to do is look up.
That's right, look up. It is week 2 of the Fox 8 touchdown truck toss, where a Fox 8 viewer could get the chance to win a lease on a brand new Nissan Frontier pickup truck, courtesy of Big Nissan. So we got things off to a tremendous start last week. Dante Jones not only made his toss, he did it on the very first try.
Yeah.
Remember that? Wow.
Oh, yeah, and he won't let us forget. Dante also made his shot last year, so today's truck tosser has some big shoes to fill. Let's head upstairs now to Fox 8 Sports anchor PJ Ziegler.
Yes, he's getting ready to bring us all the action with today's talented Fox 8 anchor.
Hi, Tracy and Joe. It is a perfect day to be up on the rooftop. Conditions, as you mentioned, absolutely perfect. And this is the hottest show on TV, and everybody waiting to see if Liz Noreka can make it happen. Real quick, we're going to go over the rules. Liz will get 2 chances to land a football in the bed of the pickup truck below on the rooftop here at Fox 8. And not only does the ball have to land in the bed of the pickup, it must remain in the bed of the pickup for that to happen. Once again, truck toss brought to you by our friends at Nissan of North Olmsted, I-90 Nissan, and BigNissan.com. All right, Liz, she's getting ready for her big moment, but before she tossed the football up here, of course, she had to prepare appropriately. So how did she do it? Well, take a look. All right, Liz is playing for James Tomasello Jr. of North Royalton. James Tomasello Jr. of North Royalton. Let's bring in Liz here. Liz, you unfortunately did not make it last year into the bed of the pickup truck.
Thank you for reminding me.
What's the strategy this year?
Well, Dante has kind of inspired me because he was sending me messages earlier today via text message saying, don't forget that I made it last week. Women haven't made it at all last time. And just other hurtful things that I feel has really fueled my energy and my direction on how I want things to go today, because I want to be able to go downstairs and say, Dante, you inspired me. And that's really what it's all about. All
right, so Dante, this is for you, and it's also for James Tomasello Jr. of North Royalton. All right, Liz, whenever you're ready, drop that football.
All right.
Away it goes.
Oh, no!
Oh! Unfortunately, it landed in the bed of the pickup truck, but it did not remain there. But just like the game on The Price is Right, you get a second shot.
All right. Now, I feel the pressure now because Dante's going to be like, I told you so if I miss it this time. So I'm going to try a different strategy, perhaps.
Okay.
All right.
Ball's away.
Oh, no! No, no! Fiddlesticks. It's not really what I wanted to say, but this is a G-rated show. It's a family show. I'm sorry. Was it Tom?
James.
James. Oh, goodness. James. See, I can't even remember your name as I'm so distraught. But I'm going to have to go down there and face Dante, which really kind of is upsetting to me. But there's other women who work here that I hope will not continue the curse of last time, because no women made it last time. And I continued our unlucky streak, and I'm pretty upset with myself.
Yeah, Joe's laughing at you right now.
Oh, he would be.
And you know Gabe is going to laugh at you at some point when he realizes
They're all
it.
gonna-
So.
It's like I'm Carrie from the movie Carrie. They're all going to laugh at you.
Oh boy.
Whoa.
Well, sorry, James.
If Gabe were here, he would say that was really bad and pathetic. I'm not going to say that. I wouldn't say that. Gabe would say that. I think that was a great try.
It was. I mean,
Two great shots.
It just
They
bounced
landed in the
out.
bed of the pickup, but they didn't remain there.
Yeah, she
So-
hit it. She was on target. I think, you said she was working out too much, that she threw it too hard, I
A for effort.
That's right.
think. All right, thank you, PJ.
All right, if
and
you want to be a
Liz.
contestant, fox8.com to sign up.
All right, here's where we stand now after 2 weeks. Dante made his shot, and Elizabeth missed.
So Joe might want to practice since next week it's your turn on the rooftop.
I'm not nervous.
What's your strategy going to be?
Well, yeah, just do the same thing as last year, because, it's like riding a bike.
Oh,
Make
you got
it
it in
once,
last year, too?
Yeah, a lot of people still talking about it. But you know what? We can move on here.